Hey guys, so come with me today as I go retighten my hair after a very long time. I'm sure this was more than 10 weeks. It's the longest I've ever taken to retighten my hair, but let's go. And then also I'm going to take these two little ones with me because as you can see in little Miss's face, it's a little swollen. I don't know if she was allergic to something or what, but she has been out of school until she gets better. So I'm taking them both with me. As you guys can see, my hair is a hot mess right now. So let's go. Now doing my hair does take a really long time. So of course I stopped I just felt for some Jamaican food. So I stopped at Good to Go and got some fried chicken and curry goats and rice kind of thing. Um, and then, of course, Araya wanted McDonald's, which, in all honesty, I had no problems with that. But I didn't know that the McDonald's that was close to where I was going, I had to go inside because I wanted to just drive through because I was kind of late for the appointment. And I'm always late, so I was trying to not be late because that's not my persona. So yes, we actually made it. I was a little bit late, but not over the top late. So that was good. So I was just here kind of just looking at how horrible my hair was and really needed to be retightened. If you guys can see, you could barely see the partitions. You can see all the new growth. I don't know, it was just a hot mess. And then also in going, I wanted it's for me, it's a lot nicer when she washes it and then locks it and then retighten, sorry, because it I get a lot less pain. When I wash it and then go in, it hurts. So when my hair is wet and all of that, makes it easier and I don't have a headache. You guys see her setup, the ambiance, it is great. Make sure you check her out. It's Locks in Hinesville, right, in Georgia. But yes, so she did that. She washed it nice and clean, and then she got into it. Man, I really wish the audio was here. I was actually debating with Araya because she wanted me to color my hair blue. So I was explaining to her if I wanted to do that, then I'd have to bleach my hair again. And I wasn't ready for that yet. So I would just color it pink again until I'm ready to bleach it because I don't want to damage it too much. Then, of course, I went in, guys, for some beef soup, which I had gotten from my, Jamaican restaurant there, and it was good. If you guys know, I'm a soup girl, like I'm a soup head. That's my specialty, even in cooking. I love cooking soup, any kind of soup, all kind of soup, soupy. And then little Miss finally woke up from her little nap. So of course, she just needed a little cuddling time, laughing time, playing time kind of thing. So of course, we did that in between until she ate, and then she went to sleep again. Thankfully, I have such a nice baby. They have food from here like this. Now, my recommendation in going to do a retyping is to always carry things to do. So while I was there and Amira went back to sleep, I just decided to do some editing. So I edited for some time. And no, guys, I don't really wear like glasses like that. It's just to help because of the blue light. Starting to look like someone's child again.
Oh no!
It's about time. So 5 hours and 50 minutes to do. This is a fresh retie after not doing my hair for months. Right? So there's new growth. Just come, let's get out of here before you Papi asks where we at. Alright guys, so that's it for the hair retightening video. Don't forget to follow for more, subscribe, like, follow, share, all of the uploads. Peace out. Let's go.